Let's do some math for fun. And here I have this question for you guys. We have the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. And then blank, blank, and you should know the deal. Please go ahead and pause the video and try to figure this out. Okay, hopefully you guys really did it, and then you comment down below and let me know what the answer is, okay? And just be honest to yourself if you figure this out or not. Anyway, I also helped you guys out a little bit right here. Let me do this for you guys, okay? So let's see this, and that. And did this help? All right, if you look at the numbers in red, 1, 3, 5, what should this be? Well, 7, isn't it? And then if you look at the numbers in black, we have 2, 4, 8. Every time we just double it, right? So we multiply this by 2 as well, and we end up with 16. Did you get this right? Once again, comment down below and let me know. And this is one of my favorite questions of all time. You may hate me because of this, but it's a lot of fun, isn't it? Anyway, the point right here is that sometimes when you are dealing with a sequence, it's possible that you should be looking at the odd number terms, like the numbers in red, and then also break it down into the even number terms, like the numbers in black, right? Just breaking down into 2 pieces. And before we end this, I will also show you how we can write down a formula for this, all right? So first, I would like to say n starts with 1, all right? So I will just list out the regular numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, right? So when n is odd, I put it down in red, and then when n is even, I'll just write this down in black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Here, let me write down the formula for you guys, an, and then we have to write into 2 pieces because we have the odd number terms and also the even number terms. For the odd number terms, when n is odd, we get the same number, right? 1, we get 1, 3, we get 3, 5, we get 5, and then 7, we get 7. So an is the same as just n if n is odd. I know it's odd, but yeah, that's it. However, if you look at the even number terms, from 2, I need to get 2. From 4, I need to get 4. But from 6, I need to get 8. And then from 8, I need to get 16. This right here, it seems like we can just double the n value, can get 16. But it does not work for this. 2 times 6, we don't get 8, right? Therefore, this is how you're going to look at it. And by the way, I mentioned earlier, every time we just multiply by 2. So you are going to expect it to use 2 to some power, 2 to some power, all right? So let's think about, maybe look at this. If you look at the 8, all right? 2 to what power will be 8? 2 to the third power will be 8, isn't it? And likewise, if you look at this right here, 2 to the second power will be 4, and then this is the same as 2 to the first power. And of course, this is the same as 2 to the fourth power. And now I change everything right here to have the same base. The only thing that's changed is the exponent, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If n is equal to 6, we will get 3 for the exponent. So you just cut the exponent into half. Likewise, if n was 8, cut the exponent into half. Half of 8 is 4. That will be the exponent. Therefore, for an, if n is even, right here we just put down 2 for the base, and then we do n over 2. If n is even. So this is it. So a small challenge for you guys. Can you think about a way? You see right here, I have 2 separate formula for the odd number terms and also for the even number term, right? Can you think about a way to write down an is equal to something without breaking down into the odd number terms and also even number terms? Comment down below and let me know. If you are watching it from my Cal 2 class, this is your homework. Don't forget.